back to Chimania. This is G. Thank you so much for coming. Here I am with my next video, and this video is gonna be an informative video. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So basically, I own a podcast called Accept the Blues, जो हर Saturday आता है. And recently, I got in touch with a lot of comedians जो scripts लिखते हैं, जो sketches लिखते हैं for a lot of brands, for YouTube channels and many more things. उन्होंने खुद के लिए इतने सारे sketches लिखे हुए हैं. And we all know sketches have a lot of market, and there are many people who want to write sketch. So I asked them a question like how a beginner should write a sketch, and here are their answers. I hope that helps.
Lots of first of all, in this day and age, there's a lot of resources on the internet. A thing that really helps is to watch a lot of sketches. You know what I mean? It almost becomes, because the more you watch, the more a loose structure starts forming in your head. Sketch writing has a few basic rules. There is one straight character who is almost the voice of the audience.
Yeah.
So when these outrageous characters are saying something or doing something, they're all like, "Tum pagal ho gaye ho kya?" And that's almost like the voice of the audience interacting with a crazy character. And that disagreement between two characters becomes funny. Think about what makes you laugh. Think about all of the things that makes you laugh. Anytime anything doesn't go a certain way is funny. You know, they say tragedy is comedy only because you feel the emotion कि hey, इसका boyfriend इसको छोड़ के चला गया. मतलब मेरा boyfriend, हाय मेरा ex. But तेरी दोस्त क्या हंस रही है बैठ के, because दोस्त को पता है कि तूने कितने सारे beep किए हैं in trying to keep this boy or girl in your life, or person in your life. Your friend is going to be like, क्या पागल है dude, किसके बारे में रो रही है? So anything that doesn't work out, situations where someone has to wait too long, situations where someone has to pay more or less, my point is, putting things where they don't belong will lead to hilarity.
I think the idea of a sketch is that you're trying to compress a joke thought within a span of say 2 or 3 minutes. I think sketches work really well if there's a certain amount of escalation in them of a joke. That is, the last sketch that Ayushi and I had written was something called Last Pizza Slice. So you know how when you are just sitting with a friend and when you see a last slice of pizza or a last kebab, the first thing you say is, no, you take it, yeah. So you start off with a relatable premise and then you figure out how you can make it absurd. So that's what a joke is basically. It's a truth that is distorted. So the idea of a sketch is how can you flip a straight idea and make it funny for a certain amount of time.
होना चाहिए, start, middle, end. ये एक structure follow करना चाहिए, and also the rule of three कि थोड़ा ऐसे premise, setup, punchline. ये तुमको दिमाग में रखना चाहिए sketch लिखते टाइम पे. It should be funny. Then you should also have कुछ तो उसमें I don't know how to explain it. It really depends on the kind of sketch you're writing. But when it comes to comedy sketches, I think you need to keep it short. जो चीज एक लाइन में समझाई जा सकती है, वो चीज के लिए तुम पूरा एक पैराग्राफ मत करो. Just I don't think I was really helpful, but the thing is, once you start writing now, you get a hang of it. So it's not really that difficult.
How to write and क्या आगे क्या करना है. Like that.
Yeah, I think a good place, if you really want to practice writing comedy sketches, a good place would be to write listicles, types of boyfriends, types of people. So that way, तो कैसे तो structure वो already सबको पता ही होता है ना, तो फिर anything you write is going to be funny. अगर types of boyfriends होगा, so the one who doesn't really pay attention, the ignorant, the clingy, so फिर उसमें तुम अपने आप jokes आ ही जाते हैं वैसे. So I think you can really if you really want to practice writing comedy sketches, so listicle is a good place to start.
These were the people who actually have written a lot of sketches, and these were their experiences, and I hope कि आप कभी try करो sketch लिखना, and if you try that, also let me know. Till then, like for this one, and if you like the video, please give a fine thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments what else you wanna see on this channel. I hope कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा, and also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and have a great life.